A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear children. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the 6th module of English. In this module, I will teach you how to write an informal letter. First of all, let me tell you what is a letter and what is the purpose of a letter. Well, children, a letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person. The primary purpose of a letter is communication in written form. Usually we write a letter on a piece of paper and then we post it in the letter box, and that particular letter is taken by the postman and delivered to that person. Now there are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. The formal letter is written for business or professional purpose with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are written to government departments or businessmen. The informal letter that I am going to teach you today is written for personal communication. It uses casual and emotional tone. Informal letters are written to friends or close family members. They are used for personal communication. Now children, when we write an informal letter, we have to keep certain important things in our mind. For writing an informal letter, we must have number 1, sender's detail. That means name and address of the one who is writing the letter. Number 2 is date. We should know the date on which the letter is written. Suppose if the letter is written on 20th of August, the format should be 20th August 2020. This is the standard form of writing a date. Number 3 is salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear in informal letter. So, if you are writing to your mother or father, you can greet them by writing dear mama or dear papa. Number 4 is body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into 3 subcategories. Number 1 is introduction, number 2 is main content, and number 3 is summary. The introductory paragraph sets the tone for the whole letter. The opening should be casual and comforting. You can start by writing, hope you are fine and healthy, or hope you are well. Then comes the content. The main content of the letter should overall adjust a friendly tone depending on whom the letter is to be written. Suppose if you are writing to your friend, you can use a casual tone, and if you are writing to your elders, your tone should be extremely respectful. Then at last, in the conclusion, that means in the summary, we summarize the letter. For example, we can close the letter by writing, looking forward to hear from you, or take care of yourself. Number 5 is complimentary close. It is the way to end the letter. It means goodbye in general terms. So we can use yours lovingly or yours sincerely. And in the last, that is number 6, is subscription, means name of the person who is writing the letter. Now let's take a look at the format of informal letter. Here you can see at the top left hand side is the sender's address. Then you have to leave one line and then you will mention the date. Then again you will leave one line and then you will write down the salutation. After salutation comes the body of the letter, that is divided into 3 categories: introduction, content and conclusion. And at last is the complimentary closure with subscription, yours lovingly, and the name of the person who is writing the letter. Now children, make sure whenever we are writing an informal letter, we use casual tone in our letter. We can use contractions like I haven't, I couldn't, I wouldn't. We can use exclamatory sentences and active voice. And we should break the content into 3 different paragraphs while writing an informal letter. Now let me explain the whole format with the help of an example. So the question is, write a letter to your cousin congratulating her on her success in class 10 final exams. Now the letter should be like this. At the top left hand side, you will write down the address as it is given B21 Hanuman Nagar, Varanasi. Then leave one line and then write down the date, 14th August 2020, today's date. Then again leave one line and write down the salutation, Dear Sonal. And then comes the body of the letter. My happiness knew no bounds when I got to know that you have topped your class and achieved your dream. I felt so pleased that I wish I were there to congratulate you personally. The result has proven that hard work and determination bring good results. You were so laborious and passionate about it. I apologize that I couldn't attend the celebration party that your parents planned for you. Hope to see you soon. Please be encouraged and continue your hard work. My parents and sister have sent lots of love and heartiest congratulations. With lots of love and best wishes. Now, I'm going to end my letter. Yours lovingly, Shefali. So, this is the format of the informal letter. In the same way, you have to write a letter to your grandfather or grandmother telling him or her about your visit to a historical place. This is your homework. That's all for today's class. Stay happy and stay healthy.